All right, sorry about that. So again, in your calculator, 3.14 times 2, then times it again because there's a small 2 here, so that means that there are 2 2's being multiplied, and then times 8. So you should have gotten 100.48, and this is going to be yards cubed. Our volume is always cubed to the third power. And when you're doing this on like an iExcel or if you have a multiple choice, that's an easy way to tell if your answer is right. The cubed one is always going to be right. So for example number 2, let's again start with a drawing of a cylinder. All right, this time what I want you to do is I want you to go all the way across through the middle, and we are going to label this 18 meters. On the right-hand side, we are going to label this 19 meters. I'm sorry, 9 meters, my bad, I misspoke. Our volume, again, is base times height. The area of our circle is pi r squared, and then we times it by h. Again, this and this is the same thing. Then we plug and chug. So pi is 3.14 times my radius. So again, we have to think through. Is the radius given? Is the radius given? It is not. It's all the way across, so that's our diameter. That's our diameter. So we need to take our radius equals d over 2. So we don't know what that is, so we're going to do 18 divided by 2. So our radius is 9. Our radius is 9. So now we can plug it in. Times 9 squared times 9. So again, plug and chug. Take that calculator. We are going to do 3.14 times 9 times, there's a square, so we're going to do times 9 again, and then times the height, which is 9. So 2,289.06, and this is going to be meters cubed. That's going to be meters cubed. All right. I want you to do the next one. So 3, you got a circle, or yeah, you draw your lines down, connect them, dot, 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 dot. I want you to go all the way across this time, and that's going to be 14 yards. And right here is going to be 6 yards. I want you to tell me what the volume of that cylinder is. Welcome back. We should have had we should have had pi r squared h, 3.14 times, we were not given our radius. So that would have been r equals d over 2. R equals 14 over 2. So r equals 7. So it should have been 7 squared times 6. And when you do that math, you would have gotten 923.16, and hopefully you put r cubed. I'm sorry about that. All right, great job on this. Now we are going to see how cylinders are related to cones.